Hi, ako po si Kinsoy. Isa po akong internet marketer, network marketer, entrepreneur, co-founder ng Tambay Academy at kaibigan ni Edward Reformina. Una kong nadiskubrihan ang attraction marketing kay Mike Dillard, isa sa mga sinasabing founders ng attraction marketing sa internet or sa network marketing industry. Okay, sa una hindi ko siya pinagtuunan ng pansin kasi nasanay ako sa mga old school or sa mga teachings ng mga mentors ko sa offline business ko dati. Yun yung nakasanayan natin, yung mga offline tactics na tinuturo pa rin hanggang ngayon ng karamihan sa mga network marketing companies, lalo na sa Pilipinas. Hindi ko sinasabing mali siya. Of course, it still works. Okay, yung mga strategies na ginagawa ng network marketers ngayon, it still works. Pero para sa akin, mas nahihirapan akong mag-duplicate ng sarili ko through by using the old school tactics. So ang ginawa ko, nag-research ulit ako sa internet at naghanap ako ng isang mentor na kung maaari, Pinoy rin. And fortunately, nakita ko si Coach Edward Reformina. Okay, isa po siyang vlogger din, gaya ko. And during that time, parang, ay, ayos to, rockstar. Nakita ko si Edward Reformina na dati pala siyang, nagbabanda. So yun, medyo na-attract ako sa kanya. At nung dumating yung isang online business na na-attract niya ako kasi gumawa siya ng isang malupit na attraction marketing system na yun din yung plano kong gawin. So yun, naging business partners kami hanggang sa nagsama kami in person at doon na nagkaroon ng saysay yung kung ano yung gusto kong gawin sa business ko. Okay, itinuro ni Coach Edward sa akin kung ano yung dapat gawin para ma-attract ko yung mga tao sa business ko. Nakashock siya, ay nakagulat lang, is because akala ko dati applicable lang siya sa labas or sa global market or sa US market. Pero hindi pala, pwede pala siyang gawin sa Pilipinas. Okay, and I couldn't be happier na naging partner ko si Coach Edward Reformina because by partnering up with him, parang I was able to grow my business from scratch. Okay, zero. So, ibig sabihin, wala pa akong team dati at nabuo ko siya in just a short period of time. Simula nung in-apply ko yung attraction marketing system, I was able to grow my team from one person into almost 500 people in just less than a year, in just a short period of time. So imagine what this system can do to you and to your business if you apply it the correct way. Okay, yun yung mga fundamentals na itinuro sa akin ni Coach Edward Reformina. Hindi na rin ako nahihirapan ngayon na maghanap ng prospects kasi yung mga tao mismo yung lumalapit sa akin at nagpapatulong sa akin kung paano gawin yung business nila. And take note, yung mga tao na to, hindi sila, or existing members na sila ng primary business ko, pero nagpapatulong pa rin sila sa akin. Okay, imagine if you have that kind of power na kaya mong mag-attract na mga like-minded individuals, yung mga siguradong sasali sa'yo. At yung mga pareho na ng mindset sa'yo. Kasi mahirap pag nagpachamba-chamba ka lang dyan ng mga prospects, kakausapin mo yung mga tao sa mall, kaya sa daan. Mahirap yun eh. Kasi hindi targeted yung market. Pero through the attraction marketing system, you will be able to target the correct people, yung may tamang mindset na, at yung sa'yo na lang is yung kung ano yung maibibigay mo sa kanya. Okay, yun yung kagandahan ng attraction marketing system. And I was also able to establish my credibility as a network marketer, as an internet marketer. Okay, so alam naman natin lahat, Coach Edward Reformina is an authority in internet network marketing industry in the Philippines. Okay, so isa siya sa mga first, he's one of the first people to use attraction marketing successfully in the Philippines. Okay, kaya if you're not practicing attraction marketing yet, I suggest, I strongly advise you to get this course, and your life will never be the same again. That I guarantee. Okay, nangyari siya sa akin, it worked for me, it worked for my friends, it worked for other people who are using this very system that we are using right now. And I'm sure that it will also work for you. Ang gawin mo lang is to buy the course and then follow exactly what Coach Edward will tell you to do. Just like what I did. Okay? Ginawa ko siya and I just asked questions later. Okay? Kasi Coach Edward is a living proof that attraction marketing works. Okay? I was able to observe Coach Edward from scratch. Okay? So, nagsimula siya sa wala. And right now, look at where he is. Okay? So, pwedeng mangyari sa atin to if we just practice attraction marketing. So, guys, I'm telling you, get Edward Reformina's course and watch your life change for the better. Okay? So, once again, ako po si Binsoy, creator po ng Tambay Academy, and I welcome you in advance to our community. Thank you.